Mama, banana cake. Me too, Mama.
I intended to make banana bread, but since my kids want banana cake, so banana cake it is. I use here 6 overripe bananas. Smash it well. 2 eggs, beaten. Put it in our smashed banana. And I have here half a cup of melted butter. Mix it again and set aside. For our dry ingredients, I have here 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, I also use 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's mix it also. Mix well. And after that, we have to put our smashed banana mixture into our dry ingredients. And again, mix, mix, mix. I know it's hard, but you have to mix it well. And here I brush my container with butter so it won't stick after it's done. So let's put in our mixtures here, and it's ready to bake. You have to bake it for at least 50 minutes or until the top is golden brown. Now for the icing, I have here 1/2 cup of butter and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Now our banana cake is ready. After it cools down, you can put the icing. And it's really good. You have to try this. This is a very simple recipe but worth a try. Happy eating, guys, and happy baking.